So students, now let us solve this question on Fourier series. So the question says, obtain the Fourier series expansion for the function f of x is equal to x square in f of x equal to x square in 0 less than x less than 3, and hence deduce that 1 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus etc. is equal to up to infinity, or is equal to pi square by 6. So let us see how to solve this question. So the moment we start to solve any Fourier series question, what will we write? We will write the upper limit minus lower limit given in the question is equal to 2l, which implies what's upper limit here? 3. So this becomes 3 minus 0 is equal to 2l, which implies the value of l is 3 by 2. Now if the value of l is 3 by 2, we know what will be the formula for Fourier series expansion. So now f of x, we can write it as f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l, that is 3 by 2, plus bn sin n pi x by l. What is l? L is 3 by 2. Now what is a0 here? a0 is equal to, what is a0? a0 is equal to 1 by l. What is l? 3 by 2. 1 by l, 0 to l, 0 to upper limit, that is 3 f of x dx. So this becomes 1 by 3 by 2 can be written as 2 by 3. So this becomes 2 by 3 into integral 0 to 3. What is f of x? F of x is equal to, f of x is written as x square. So if you write it here, 2 by 3 into x square dx. Now this is equal to 2 by 3 into, what is integral of x raised to 2? We have integral of x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. So instead of n here we have 2. So this becomes x raised to 2 plus 1 3 by 2 plus 1 3. The whole varying from limit 0 to 3. Now if we apply the limits, 2 by 3 into, what is upper limit? Upper limit is 3. So this becomes 3 cube by 3 minus lower limit 0, 0 cube by 3. Now this is equal to 2 by 3 into, what is 3 cube? 27 by 3. So this equals 3. So 27 by 3 is 9, and 9 by 3 is 3. So the option becomes 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. So let us highlight it. So we have the value of a0 is equal to 6. So we have found out the value of a0. Now let us find out the value of an. Now students, what is an? An is equal to 1 by l, that is 1 by 3 by 2 into 0 to upper limit 3 f of x into cos n pi x, f of x into cos n pi x by l. What is l? 3 by 2 dx. So now let us see what is f of x here. So 1 by 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3 into 0 to 3. What is f of x? F of x is given as x square. So this becomes x square into cos n pi x the whole by 3 by 2 dx. So now if, I'm sorry, a small correction, this is not the whole by, this is the argument. So now if we rearrange this, we can write it as 2 by 3 into 0 integral 0 to 3 x square into, so what happens? 2 goes to the numerator, so this becomes cos 2 n pi x by 3 dx is equal to 2 by 3 into, now let us integrate this. So we know if we apply integration by parts, right? So if we do successive integration, let us say we write the first function here x square into what is the integral of second function? Second function integral is minus of sine, sorry, positive of sine 2n pi x by 3 the whole divided by 2n pi by 3. Right? So the next step is to put a alternative positive negative sign. So this was a plus, this will be negative. Differentiate x square. What is the derivative of x square? We have 2x. Integrate this term. So if we integrate sine term, we get minus cos 2n pi x by 3 the whole divided by, what do we get? 2n pi by 3, but there is already a term here 2n pi by 3, so this becomes 2n pi by 3 the whole square. Are we done? No. Now let us plus minus, so the next term will be plus, differentiate 2x, what do we get? 2 into, what is the integral of minus cos 2n pi x by 3? We get it as minus sine 2n pi by 3 the whole divided by 2n pi by 3, but there is already a square term here, so this will become the whole cube. Now the integration is over, and now we will have to integrate this function from 0 to 3. Now if we are about to do this integration, we will have to substitute the upper term, upper limit 3 minus the lower limit 0. So we will see that in the next video.